In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the total amount of indexed documents for a list of websites. As an example, we will be checking this parameter for several gold bullion trading websites. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To find out how many documents of these websites are indexed by Google, we'll use the Google Total Indexed Documents Checker. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Google Total Indexed Documents Checker. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more websites. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted data to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've extracted the total amount of indexed documents for each of the websites. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Google Total Indexed Documents Checker and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.